Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use 3 shortcuts to help tidy up your File Explorer folders and files, and I'll also show you one example of how to use it. So here's how to use it. You should have File Explorer down on your taskbar down here, but if you don't, you can type it in the search box down here. So one click on the File Explorer, and in this example I'm going to show you how we're going to move all of these files that are in our downloads folder here. We're going to copy them and we're going to put them into documents. We're going to create a folder within documents, copy and paste them all into there using the keyboard shortcuts. The shortcuts that we're going to use are CTRL and A, and that's going to highlight everything. CTRL and C, that's going to copy everything, and CTRL and V is going to paste everything. So let's do it now. So back to File Explorer, Downloads. Now we're going to use CTRL and A, which is going to highlight everything that's in this folder. There we go. Now we've highlighted everything, we can copy all these files here using CTRL and C. Keep your pointer hovering over the blue highlighted files when you do this. So now that we've copied everything, we can now go to Documents, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a new folder here. So we're going to click on Home and click on New Folder. We're going to call it Downloads. Now if we click into this folder, and now that we're in the folder, we can use CTRL and V, which will now paste everything from our Downloads folder into this new folder that we've created within Documents. And now that we've done that, we could even go back to Documents, we could go back to Downloads, we could highlight everything again using CTRL and A, we could permanently delete these files using the delete key. So there you go, you've now got a copy of everything in Downloads in a folder within your Documents, and you can just use this with any particular folder, pictures, documents, and this is a useful technique to use within any of these folders.